Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina and today I will be showing you how to properly do in-text citations using the MLA formatting. So first, what are in-text citations? In-text citations are citations located within the essay. They let the reader know where you got information from, and they should be easily comparable to the works cited page. This will be going more into depth. The general format for in-text citations is parentheses, last name, comma, page number, close parentheses. Sometimes there is no author. Then the format will be parentheses, title, comma, page number, close parentheses. If there is no page number, then you will simply put the last name or title within parentheses. The in-text citations should match the works cited page. For example, here you see hook. In the works cited page, it should connect to hook. That way, when someone is reviewing your paper, they will be able to see that these two sources are one and the same. Likewise, rations compares to rations on the works cited page. This should be the same if it is a title. So what's the difference between quotations and paraphrases? Quotations are taken directly from the source and are put inside of quotation marks. Paraphrases, on the other hand, is information taken from the source, but it is put in your own words. Below are two examples of a quote and a paraphrase. This is a quote because it is taken directly from a source, and it is placed within quotation marks. This is a paraphrase because the information is taken from the source, but it is put within your own words. Both are cited in similar ways. And that is it for in-text citations for MLA formatting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a different video.